Good day, everyone. I am Angel May Pao and I am assigned to report about using regression with friend and seasonal components. Since you already learned about trend and seasonal components by the previous reporters, now I am going to discuss about multiple regression. Multiple regression, it may be used to forecast with both trend and seasonal components present in time series. So one independent variable is time and other independent variable are dummy variables to indicate the season. If we forecast quarterly data, there are 4 categories, so we use 3 dummy variables. We first define dummy variables for the quarters. We define Q1 equals 1 if quarter 1 and 0 otherwise. Q2 equals 1 if quarter 2 and 0 otherwise. Q3 equals 1 if quarter 3 and 0 otherwise. And thus, Q4 will be the baseline, that is the reference quarter that others are compared against. That is, if quarter 4, then Q1, Q2, and Q3 will all be 0. Note that any of the other 4 quarters could be chosen to be baseline category. As you can see, there's a column for the dependent variable and call it sales, and then drag year 2 and year 3 data into that column beneath year 1 data. I replicate the numbers by copying 1, 2, 3, 4 from year 1 and paste for years 2 and 3. Next, I created a column titled Q1 for the quarter 1 and Q2, Q3 for quarter 2 and quarter 3. Note that we don't need to create Q4 since we decided to choose Q4 as baseline. Now for quarter 1, I put 1 for Q1, 0 for Q2 and Q3. For quarter 2, 0 for Q1, 1 for Q2 and 0 for Q3. For quarter 3, 0 for Q1, 0 for Q2, and 1 for Q3. And it will be all 0 for quarter 4. I did the same for years 2 and 3. Since we have trend, we need to set up a period or t variable to account for increasing or decreasing sales over time. So I put number 1 to 12 in the period column. To generate the regression output in Excel, we go to Data, Data Analysis, select Regression, and click OK. And for the Y range, I will select the data. For the X range, I will select from Q1 up to period. And also I will check label because I selected the titles and then click OK. And here is the output to create the regression equation. We only need this bottom left corner of the output containing the coefficient. This is the regression equation we obtained from Excel, and this table, year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, shows us the period number for each year. Since for the year 1 to year 3, t is equals to 1 to 12. Then for year 4, it will be 13 to 16. So for quarter 1 of year 4, Q1 will be 1, Q2 and Q3 will be 0, and T will be 13. Thus, we can forecast sales for quarter 1 of year 4 by substituting those values into the regression equation. We do the same for quarter 2 and quarter 3. And now for quarter 4, Q1, Q2, Q3 are all 0 and T is 16. Plugging into the equation, we can obtain sales forecast for the period in the same manner. And that's it for my assigned topic. Thank you.